Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change TikTok profile privacy from public to private. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps. And after this, in here, if you wanna change your privacy account, so you just click on the profile icon at the bottom, click on it. And then in here you just click on the three lights icon at the top, and then in here you just click on the setting and privacy, and after this, in here you just click on the privacy. And now in here you can click this button until you can see a green button like this. So that's how to change TikTok profile privacy from public to private. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.